Hello everyone, I'm Hayakalia from Sanchay CRM. Every client is different. Their dreams, priorities, and investment goal changes with age. That's where Sanchay CRM's age filter becomes one of the most powerful feature for every mutual fund distributor. It doesn't just help you to find clients by age, but it helps you to communicate better, understand their life stage, and offer exactly what they need. Let me show you how this simple feature can make a big difference. With the age filter in Sanchay CRM, you can segment clients according to their life stage, send targeted WhatsApp or email campaigns, automate reminders for age milestone based follow ups, and analyze your AUM based on client age brackets. It helps you to stay proactive, personalized, and efficient. Everything a smart advisor needs today. Let's take a few real life scenarios to see how you as an MFT can use age filter effectively. So, the first scenario is for the young professionals who falls in the age category 25 to 35. So, in CRM, we'll go to the client module. So, these are the list of the clients, and I want to search for the young professionals who falls in the age category 25 to 35. These are the clients who are just starting their financial journey. They are focused on saving tax, starting SIPs, and building wealth for their goals. So I will go to the advanced filter, and here I will select a field age, and I want a category 25 to 35. So I will select between. Here I will type 25 to 35. These are the young professionals, so I will save it as a young professionals, and I will simply click save and search so that in future as well I will use the same filter again. A filtered list of the young clients appears. So these are the clients who falls in age category 25 to 35. Within second, I can see all of my young clients. Now I can plan a WhatsApp campaign encouraging them to start SIPs or invest in ELSS for tax saving. For example, an automated message like, "Hi Rohan, have you started your SIP this year? Small steps today can create a big impact for your future goals." This is smart, personalized communication done effortlessly. So, this way, I have created another save search over here and save it so that I can use it anytime I want. So next is we have our mid-career clients. So here you can see the mid-career client save search is already saved. When I click over there, I will get the list of the mid-career clients. People managing multiple goals like child education, home loans, and retirement planning. So for that, we can use this filter. Here to check this filter, we can see the age filter is between 36 to 50. So the list is for 36 to 50 for mid-career clients. Now I can focus on the clients who might need a retirement corps review or a child education investment plan. I can also create an automated workflow for this client. For example, a reminder that goes to the client every year saying, "Dear Mr. Sharma, it's time to review your retirement goal. Let's ensure your plan is still on track." With Sanchay CRM, this automation makes consistent follow-up simple and professional. Next, for the clients above 50, the focus changes. Now it's about safety, regular income, and legacy planning. So for the pre-retirement and retired clients, I have made the save search and save it as a monthly income plan. So here is my save search monthly income plan based on the clients who turns or greater than 50. So the client of greater than 51, we can see the search over here. I have selected age greater than 51. These clients are for my monthly income plan campaign. I can easily take them and send campaigns about SWP or debt mutual funds. I can even set a follow-up task for my RN to discuss retirement income options. And during special milestones, like when a client turns 60, I can send a personalized message saying, "Congratulations, Mrs. Meera Gokhale, on entering your golden years. Let's ensure your investment now work to give you peace and steady returns." It's thoughtful and it builds long-term trust. Guys, Age filter are also perfect for planning webinars or review meets. So for my one event, I have created a Save Search managing retirement with mutual funds. So here we can see managing retirement with mutual fund. When I click over there, I can see the clients above 50 plus. Here I have used the filter age greater than 50. No manual sorting, no confusion, just targeted invites for the right audience. Lastly, I can use the age filter for data analysis. So here I have for one insight age and risk profile. So this is my Save Search which I have selected right now. And here you can see which filter I have applied. Age greater than 45. So with one filter, I can see where my client, where my AUM is concentrated. For example, if most of it comes from the clients above 45 years with a conservative risk profile, here we can see the conservative risk profile where clients, 189 clients fall to this category. So it shows I might need to focus more on younger investors with moderate or aggressive profiles to build a more balanced portfolio. I can also set auto reminders when a client crosses certain ages like 45 or 60 to review their portfolio risk, insurance coverage, or tax planning. So, that's how the age filter in Sanchay CRM can transform the way every mutual fund distributors work. It helps to communicate better, automate age-based follow-ups, strengthen client relationship, and grow your AUM strategically. So, with just one filter, you can turn your client data into meaningful actions. So, start using Age Filter today and see how Sanchay CRM helps you to connect better, serve better, and grow stronger. Because Sanchay hai to sahi hai. Thanks for watching.